Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your crypto insider here, diving straight into this wild Bitcoin chart that's got the entire market buzzing. If you're watching this on October 7th, 2025, and Bitcoin's hovering around that juicy $120,987 mark like in this Binance snapshot, buckle up because we're about to unpack why this isn't just another boring candlestick parade. We're talking real money moves. Hidden signals screaming buy low or run for the hills, and my no BS take on where King BTC is headed next. If you're in the US grinding through your 9 to 5, dreaming of that early retirement via crypto, hit that like button now and subscribe for more edge-of-your-seat breakdowns. Let's roll. Picture this, the main price action panel is your battlefield. Those red and green candlesticks, they're painting a gritty story of Bitcoin's last few days. Starting back on October 3rd around $116,000, spiking up to a high of $126,199 like a rocket fueled by ETF hype and whale buys, then slamming down to that $120,000 support line. Right now, it's chilling at $120,987, down a cheeky 3% over the last 24 hours with a volume explosion of 21,583 BTC traded. That's over $2.6 billion in USD action. Folks, not sleepy consolidation. This is institutions and retail traders duking it out. The 24-hour range, from a low of $120,000 to that peak high of $126K, showing Bitcoin's testing its nerves after smashing its all-time high just yesterday at over $126,210. It's like BTC threw a party, invited everyone, then ghosted half the guests. Classic crypto drama. Overlay those moving averages, and oh man, it's a rainbow of hope mixed with caution. The EMAs are your trend whisperers. That 7-period EMA at $122,784 is dipping below price like a sly fox, while the 25-period at $123,809 and 50-period at $122,769 are hugging the action from above, screaming short-term pullback. But zoom out. The 100-period EMA at $123,778 and 200-period at $120,427. They're sloping up like a steady climb up Wall Street, with the 200-day just starting its bullish groove on October 3rd. Translation, long-term holders, this is your green light. The big money's still accumulating, not dumping. Price is dancing between the upper Bollinger Band at $126,199, that resistance wall it just bounced off, and the lower at $120,000, which is holding like a champ. If it cracks that lower band, watch out for a slide to $118K. If it punches through the upper, we're talking breakout city toward $130K easy. Flip to the volume bars down below, those orange spikes. They're roaring louder than a Tesla Cybertruck revving up. On the dip days, volumes pumping 2-3x average, meaning smart money's scooping up shares while panic sellers bail. No weak hands here. This is conviction buying. U.S. traders, think BlackRock ETF sucking in billions while exchange supplies hit 2019 lows. It's the supply crunch we've been waiting for since the halving. Now the MACD histogram at the bottom. DIF at -509. DEA at -151, and that MACD line screaming -358. It's deep in negative territory, with the signal line crossing bearish like a storm cloud. Histogram bars are shrinking reds, hinting the selling momentum's fizzling out. This isn't a death spiral, it's exhaustion. Cross above zero and boom, bullish reversal incoming, potentially flipping this chart green by EOD. RSI at the very bottom, clocking in at a frosty 14.31 on the 6-period. That's oversold territory. Screaming bargain bin, louder than Black Friday at Best Buy. Anything under 30 is a wake-up call for bounces. At 14, it's like Bitcoin's RSI just filed for a rebound. We've seen this movie before. Last week's dip from $113K to here. RSI hit 15, then rocketed 10% in 48 hours. Paired with SAR dots flipping bullish below price at $116,791. This setup's primed for a snapback rally, and don't sleep on the AVL at $116,791. That's your average volume level, and we're smashing it, confirming real interest, not fake outs. All right, truth bomb time. This chart's a classic fake-out dip in a raging bull market. Bitcoin's not crashing. It's consolidating after that ATH euphoria, with fundamentals like Fed rate cut whispers, corporate treasuries stacking sats, shout out to MicroStrategy adding another 10K BTC last week, and global adoption turning BTC into digital gold 2.0. The bears are loud, but the data's louder. This pullback's your entry, not your exit if you're stateside, with spot ETFs pulling in $500 million daily. This is the dip we've memed about for years. Asterisk asterisk price prediction. Where's BTC headed next? Asterisk asterisk straight fire, my friends. Short term, next 24-48 hours. I'm eyeing a 2 to 3% rebound to $124,500, $126,000 as RSI unwinds and volume buyers pile in. Hold that $120K support. We smash back to the ATH and push $128K by week's end. By end of October, bullish AF, targeting $131,500 on that 6 to 8% surge, fueled by ETF inflows and having afterglow. Worst case, a wiggle to $118K tests nerves, but the 200 EMA's your floor. Long-term 2025, $150K plus easy if institutions keep the party going. DYOR stack sats, and remember, in crypto, dips are where legends are made. Drop your predictions in the comments. What's your target? Smash like if you're buying this dip. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.